So a little bit about me. I'm Karen Young. I'm the founder of HR Resolutions, but I'm a speaker and an author also. I have been doing human resources and management and leadership for, well, let's just say that I'm sage and I'm experienced, and we'll leave it at that, okay? So anyway, I wrote Honest and Real, an essential guidebook to drama-free HR. I actually updated an older book, but we've released it as Honest and Real now because I wanted individuals who don't have the benefit of a full-time HR department to still have a type of a desk reference or to have a guide that can help them with some simple day-to-day HR responsibilities that they might not otherwise know. Now, hopefully, if it's something bigger, they'll reach out and use us for some help and some consulting. But otherwise, I want that book to be dog-eared and pages turned and highlights and writing all through it because I really want it to be a resource for the readers. I was inspired to write the book because a marketing cohort and colleague of mine kept saying, "You have so much to share. You need to write a book. You need to write a book. You need to write a book." And I finally wrote a book. So I think the biggest pearls of wisdom out of the book that anyone can gather is that if we have honest and real conversations with our employees, we're really going to reduce the drama. And that's probably the favorite thing that I got out of the first edition of the book, this drama-free HR concept. I have named myself the queen of drama-free HR because I don't want our clients, I don't want my readers to be worrying about HR. I want them to have a comfort level with it, and I want them to not worry about the drama. But the biggest pearl of wisdom is that if you have honest and real conversations with your employees, you let them know what your expectations are. You listen to what they have to say about their disappointments or their joy with working for you. If we start to have more and more of these honest conversations, we're going to have a better culture, a better workplace, and a lot less drama at work. So you can find me via hrresolutions.com or KarenAYoung.com. You can also find me on Twitter at hrresolutions. If you search on Facebook, it's Karen Milliken Young. And if you search on LinkedIn, it's Karen A. Young or HR Resolutions. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoy the book. And if you do, drop me a line. If you don't drop me a line too, I want to know where I missed the mark. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a great day and have some less drama with your HR.